Have you ever wanted to make risotto but could not bear the idea of standing next to a stove for hours on end? The rice cooker is the perfect thing to make a really good risotto with. All you need is a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter, they go really nicely together, a little bit of garlic, and about 1 onion. Once you've got those into the bowl of the rice cooker, give them a little bit of a stir, turn the rice cooker on to cook, and then walk away for a couple of minutes. So now the onion, the garlic, the butter and the oil are done. They're beautiful and golden, and now we just need to add the rest of the ingredients. So the rice, as many mushrooms as you want, and then 3 cups of stock. Give that a bit of a stir so that everything is combined. This will take somewhere around 10 to 15 minutes at the most, so we'll be back when that has finished. I've made mushroom risotto. You could do any combination you like. Simple, quick and easy.